Chopsticks are more than just eating utensils. They are an integral part of the dining experience in many Asian cultures, embodying a blend of tradition, etiquette, and practicality. They are tools with a rich history that dates back thousands of years. For over 3,000 years, chopsticks have been an essential part of Asian cultures, evolving in design and use over the centuries. Their use spread from China to other countries such as Japan, Korea, and Vietnam, each adopting and adapting the chopsticks to their own culinary traditions. Today, billions of people use chopsticks daily, whether at home, in restaurants, or at bustling street food markets. The earliest chopsticks were probably simple twigs used to retrieve food from cooking pots. People used them to retrieve food from hot pots, a practice that continues in many traditional dishes today. Over time, chopsticks evolved from simple tools to symbols of culture and refinement, often intricately decorated and made from various materials. There are many different materials and styles of chopsticks, from humble bamboo to ornate metal and plastic designs. Each type of chopstick tells a story of its own. They represent a blend of tradition and practicality, seamlessly integrating into the daily lives of millions. In modern times, mass production techniques have met this ancient tradition, allowing for the widespread availability of chopsticks. Factories around the world now produce billions of chopsticks each year, ensuring that this ancient tool remains a staple in contemporary dining. Let's explore this fascinating process and delve deeper into the world of chopsticks, from their historical origins to their modern-day production and use. Bamboo is the most common material for chopsticks. It's a sustainable choice. Bamboo grows quickly. It is ready for harvest in just a few years. This makes it a renewable resource. It's also naturally antimicrobial. This makes it safe for food use. Most chopsticks come from bamboo forests in China and Southeast Asia. Workers harvest the bamboo stalks by hand. They cut the stalks into manageable lengths. The bamboo is then transported to factories for processing. Sustainable forestry practices are important. They ensure a continuous supply of this valuable resource. Chopstick manufacturers often work with organizations. They promote responsible bamboo harvesting. At the factory, the bamboo is sorted and cleaned. This initial step is crucial to ensure that only the best quality bamboo is used for making chopsticks. Workers meticulously inspect each bamboo stalk, discarding any that are damaged or not up to standard. The selected bamboo is then thoroughly cleaned to remove any dirt or impurities, preparing it for the next stage of processing. Large machines then slice the bamboo stalks into smaller sections. These machines are highly efficient, capable of slicing through the tough bamboo with precision and speed. The slice sections are uniform in size, which is essential for the consistency of the final product. This automated process not only speeds up production but also ensures that each piece of bamboo is cut to the exact specifications required for making chopsticks. These sections are the rough size and shape of chopsticks. At this stage, the bamboo pieces are still quite rough and need further processing. They are transported on a conveyor belt to the next set of machines, which will refine their shape and size. The journey from raw bamboo stalks to finished chopsticks involves several stages, each one crucial to achieving the perfect balance of form and function. This efficient process maximizes the use of the bamboo. It minimizes waste. The factory employs advanced techniques to ensure that every part of the bamboo is utilized. Any leftover pieces are often repurposed for other products, such as bamboo flooring or paper. This sustainable approach not only benefits the environment but also makes the production process more cost-effective. The bamboo pieces are then further shaped and sized. Specialized machines trim and smooth the bamboo, gradually transforming it into the familiar chopstick form. This stage requires a high level of precision to ensure that each chopstick is perfectly straight and smooth. The machines are calibrated to handle even the smallest variations in bamboo thickness, ensuring a consistent product. Automated machines cut them into the familiar chopstick form. These machines are equipped with sharp blades that can cut through the bamboo with ease. The chopsticks are cut slightly longer than needed to allow for further refinement. This extra length ensures that any imperfections can be trimmed away in the final stages of production. They are cut slightly longer than needed. This allows for further refinement later in the process. The extra length provides a margin for error, ensuring that the final product meets the highest standards of quality. After this stage, the chopsticks are ready for the finishing touches that will make them ready for use. This allows for further refinement later in the process. The chopsticks undergo a series of finishing processes, including sanding and polishing, to achieve a smooth and comfortable texture. This final stage is crucial for ensuring that the chopsticks are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Different regions have preferences for chopstick length and shape. In some cultures, longer chopsticks are preferred for communal dining, while in others, shorter chopsticks are more common for individual use. The factory is equipped to produce a wide variety of chopstick styles to cater to these diverse preferences. Some prefer shorter, thicker chopsticks. These are often used in regions where the cuisine involves more robust and hearty dishes. The thicker chopsticks provide a better grip and are more durable, making them ideal for handling heavier foods. Others prefer longer, thinner ones. These are typically used in regions where the cuisine is more delicate and requires a finer touch. The longer length allows for greater reach, while the thinner design provides more precision. The machines can be adjusted for these variations. This flexibility allows the factory to meet the specific needs of different markets, ensuring that every customer receives chopsticks that are perfectly suited to their culinary traditions. The next step is crucial. The roughly cut chopsticks need to be smoothed and polished. This process ensures a comfortable grip. It also removes any splinters or rough edges. Large sanding machines are used in this process. They spin rapidly, smoothing the surfaces of the chopsticks. The chopsticks are then passed through finer and finer grits of sandpaper. This creates a polished finish. Some manufacturers also use tumbling drums. These drums contain small stones or other abrasive materials. The chopsticks are tumbled for hours. This further smooths and polishes them. Section 5. Coating and branding, a touch of durability and identity. Once smooth, the chopsticks are ready for finishing. This often involves a coating. It enhances their durability and appearance. Some manufacturers use lacquer, others use food-grade oils or waxes. The coating process can be done by dipping or spraying. It seals the chopsticks. This protects them from moisture. It also gives them a slight sheen. Many manufacturers also brand their chopsticks at this stage. They may add a logo or design. This is usually done with a stamping process or printing. Section 6. Quality control, ensuring excellence in every pair. Quality control is essential throughout the manufacturing process, but it's particularly important at this stage. Every single chopstick is inspected. They check for any defects. These defects might include cracks, splinters, or unevenness. Trained inspectors carefully examine each pair of chopsticks. They use trained eyes and sometimes even special tools. They ensure that only perfect chopsticks move on to the next step. Chopsticks that don't meet the standards are rejected. This rigorous quality control process ensures that consumers receive chopsticks of the highest quality. It maintains the reputation of the manufacturer. Section 7. Packaging and presentation, ready for the world. In this section, we explore how chopsticks are meticulously prepared for their journey to consumers around the globe. Chopsticks that pass inspection are ready for packaging. Each chopstick undergoes a rigorous quality control process to ensure it meets the highest standards. The packaging varies depending on the market. Different regions and consumer preferences dictate the style and type of packaging used. Some chopsticks are sold in bulk. These are often destined for large-scale buyers such as restaurants and catering services. Others are packaged in sets of 2 or more. These sets are popular among families and individuals who prefer to buy in smaller quantities. Bulk chopsticks are often used in restaurants. These establishments require a steady supply of chopsticks to meet the demands of their customers. They are typically packaged in large paper sleeves or boxes. This type of packaging is both economical and practical for high-volume usage. Chopsticks for retail sale are often packaged more elaborately. Retail packaging is designed to attract the eye and appeal to consumers. They might come in attractive boxes or pouches. These decorative elements add value and make the chopsticks suitable for gifting. The packaging serves several purposes. It not only protects the chopsticks but also enhances their presentation. It protects the chopsticks during shipping. Ensuring that they arrive at their destination in perfect condition is crucial. It also provides information about the product. Labels often include details such as material, origin, and care instructions, and it can be used to market the chopsticks to consumers. Eye-catching packaging can influence purchasing decisions and enhance brand recognition. Ultimately, the goal is to present the chopsticks in a way that reflects their quality and craftsmanship, making them ready for the world. Section 8. Global Journey, from factory to table. The final step in the process is distribution. Packaged chopsticks are shipped from the factories to destinations all over the world. They travel by truck, train, ship, and airplane to reach their final destinations. The global demand for chopsticks is huge. Millions of pairs of chopsticks are shipped every day. They end up in restaurants, homes, and businesses. The efficient production and distribution network ensures that people everywhere can enjoy this essential utensil. It connects cultures through a shared culinary experience. Section 9. A symbol of culture, crafted with care. The mass production of chopsticks is a fascinating blend of tradition and technology. What was once a simple twig has become a carefully engineered product. Each step in the process, from sourcing sustainable bamboo to rigorous quality control, reflects a dedication to quality. The next time you pick up a pair of chopsticks, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship behind these seemingly simple tools. They are a testament to human ingenuity. They connect us to centuries of cultural tradition.